That's why we need to keep public education, because underlying the idea of self-governance is that we are responsible. It's not just a personal self-governance. It's self-governance of the institution, of the nation. And that means that the purpose of schooling is not entirely your success, the individual. It's not a private. It's paid for by public funds because it's supposed to have a public purpose. If we say, as we often do, that it's worth dying for democracy, then one important public purpose must be to teach people to value and understand it and play a part in it. And how can they possibly learn when there is simply no institution in America who considers that their responsibility? You know, if you want to be a cook, you go to a cooking school. But if you want to learn about democracy, what do? It's at best a course taught undemocratically by an adult in high school. And occasionally when something doesn't matter much at all, you let the kids vote on it. So you are teaching a definition of democracy, which is really quite scary, that it's only good for things you don't care too much about and that don't have any serious consequences, then it's okay to vote on it. If it is really something of importance, then you need to have some other system. The other thing is that we function, which is the hope of democracy, that you don't function by fear alone, and that schools are arranged for each level to fear the other. Kids are supposed to be afraid of. That's what we mean by the word respect. When we say you don't respect me, we mean you act as though you're not afraid of me. And that's when policemen use that, or teachers use it, or the principal uses it to a teacher. You're not being respectful. What she really means is you're not acting as though you're afraid of me.